Hello everyone, we're back with another good question. Let's solve it right away. Here, we divide 3 by 3, which becomes 1. 3 divided by 3 equals 1. Finally, 1 divided by 1 equals 1. If you solve the question this way, you'll get an error. So, how do we solve it correctly? The way to solve this is to pay attention to the order of operations. The abbreviation for order of operations rules is PEMDAS. P stands for parentheses, A stands for exponents, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. There's another feature here. Multiplication and division have no order of operations. They are performed from left to right. Similarly, addition and subtraction are performed from left to right. Let's solve your questions again using these rules. First, we divide 3 divided by 3 equals 1. Then we do the second division. We can write 1 divided by 3 as a fraction. Finally, we divide fractions. The first fraction is written as is, then the division between them changes to multiplication. Then the second number is reversed. Now we can multiply 1 times 1 equals 1, 3 times 3 equals 9. The answer to our question is the fraction 1 divided by 9. Congratulations if you got the answer right. We've reached the end of the video. Now, I want you to find the answer to this question and write it in the comments. Let's see who can find the correct answer. Our videos will continue. Subscribe using the logo on the screen so you don't miss any new videos. You can access other videos in the boxes on the site. See you in the next video.